You want to sit with Cookie? You guys gonna look out the window together? That's nice. Don't you try and bite his butt, okay? Here. You sit with Cookie nice, okay, Coco? Just sit nice. That's nice, you guys sitting together, right? That's nice. That's the neighborly thing to do, eh, Cookie? Have Coco over. Yeah, good girl. You be nice. You should invite Cookie over to your house, Coco. You think he'd like to come to your house too? Yeah? She's a nice friend, Cookie. See, if you just give her a chance and not run away from her. Can I pet you? No? Oh, you just want to sit with Coco. That's all right. There's a puppy. Are you looking in the windows? Are you checking out Cookie's house? It's pretty nice, eh? That's the electrical. It hasn't been installed yet. And go in the house and see what it's like. Don't touch your house? Cookie, she's going right in your house. Oh my goodness. You haven't even finished unpacking.